So in this Notes app tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add page lines to notes on the Notes app. So for example, if I were to open up a note right here, there are no page lines, it's all blank, but if you wanted to add it, it's very simple. Go to the Settings app on your phone. Once you're on the Settings app, go to the very bottom and press Apps. Once apps are selected, go to the End section and select Notes. It'll then bring you to this screen. Just scroll down to where it says Viewing, and then where it says Lines and Grids, select that. And if you want to add lines to your pages, you can go ahead and do what you have to do. So if you just wanted to add small lines right here, you go ahead and select that, then go back to your Notes app. It's not going to change anything on the notes that are already created, but if you were to go ahead and create a new one, for example, there's going to be lines right here displaying on the Notes app. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add page lines to notes on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.